Welcome back to another MISys video with Brand Consulting, and today we're going to be talking about receiving freight when your vendor pays for the freight.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to purchasing, and then we're going to create a new PO. So PO 214, that's auto generated, and we're going to have our supplier down here, and we're going to add 2 items. Let's actually click this, find only qualified items for the supplier, so that when we open this up, there's only 2 things we can select. And we're going to select both of those today. Alright, and we come down here, we're going to order 1,000 of those. And this one's already marked. Now we're going to come down here, make sure our price is in here correctly. Going to associate it with job. Alright, so that's everything that we have down here. And we're going to go ahead and save this. Alright, now we're going to open this PO. And we can set our order date to today. And we're going to go ahead and open it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to receive these items. So we're going to check all and receive checked. Alright, we've successfully received them in. Now what we're going to do is when your supplier has paid for the freight, we're going to add that in here. We're going to order 1. Inventory type is going to be miscellaneous item. And we're going to put in freight here. Then we're going to come down here to our price, and we're going to make it $10. And we're going to make a job 2. And we're going to save that. And what that now does is that adds in our freight costs. And if we do it right now, it'll keep all of our accounting squared. So we come in, we go to receive items, we check here, receive checked. Right. And now we can go in. Now you can't do anything once you've closed the PO, so you want to make sure that it's in open status so that you can still make these changes.
If any of this was helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what else we can do for you. Thanks.